Good day and welcome in the Bart's Cave of Treasure, where I'm playing the ultimate strategy game of trading and investment in stocks and finances. And I am observing, viewing the companies that I play with, or my favorite stocks. So we are going down to the minuses. All of these companies, I will review them. And the next one is the Arbor Realty Trust. We have for the Oxford Lane and Prospect Capital. Now we go to the Arbor Realty. And let's see, what is this company about? Its short name is ABR. And it trades on the New York Stock Exchange. That is, they will open in approximately 40 minutes. For now, I cannot trade, but I can give orders and things like that. Full name, Arbor Realty. Current price of their share is 5 gold. 5 gold. Like in video games. Okay, here is their maximum chart. They are in downtrend. So we go down. This is the next dividend is August 28th. Pretty soon. And it is a dividend company. High dividend, it is set 18%. But more importantly is the period they give the dividends. I will have to mention this from now on. While Oxford Lane Capital and the Prospect Capital, they give their dividend every month. They pay it every month. It is the same dividend yearly, but they give it every month. While Arbor Realty, they give it in 3 months. And let's see, it is real estate company. Okay, it is different than the Prospect Capital and Oxford Lane. They are in United States, traded in dollars, US dollars. There are a lot of employees, sector real estate. And I have to mention now my treasure cup from the treasure cave. Treasure cup is my risk management. Now, I have to avoid giving advices. So I will just share my point of view and how I am comfortable to risk manage things. And this is, I play with limits. So in these companies, my limits are 300 gold. That should be named Bart Ogi Treasure Limit. This is my limit. Because they are not with very high risk. These companies, according to me, this is all according to me, I put them in the category medium risk. It is not high risk, it is not low risk like Google or other things, but in these medium risk companies, I put maximum 300 gold. And this is like, let's say, going on a vacation. 300 gold is not enough for a vacation, but it may be as well one dinner with a girl. So this is how I comfortably play with these limits. I spent maximum 300 in the course of my investment now. For now, I am on the Arbor 150 approx 60. So I can from time to time put something on the Arbor Realty because I play them for dividend. It is my dividend strategy. I have 3. It's not strategy, it is the tactics. The whole thing is the strategy, right? So the tactic is dividends, which I spent up to 300 on these good ones. for the time being. And the other one is the trading, where I trade with 5 gold. 5 gold until 50 gold down to 50 gold. Companies that don't give dividend, I can afford to lose just lose 50 gold. Right. It is not a dinner. It is a supper with a girl, right? 50 gold. And unicorns, this is companies that I buy a lot of shares for $5 and just leave them. And most of them die. But if one make some big movement up, it may cover the rest. So let's go back to the Arbor Realty. I will say these things in all of my videos. So if I'm beginning to repeat myself, it is intentional. All right. So now to see what is the period that the companies, the stocks gives the dividend, I have to share my treasure chest item. And this is my file where I'm keeping data. So it is on one place. I can see these dudes are with every month dividend. Then we have 3 months, things like that. For example, we can see here medical properties have skipped one dividend pay. I can detect this on every 3 months. The 1 month dividends companies are good because I can detect something strange every month and I can react accordingly. While this with 3 months, I can react on 3 months. So I value this that gives every month. But they are not a lot. If you are aware of some of this, you can share that treasure with us because it is public. Like I said, if someone wants something from me on private message and cannot share it publicly, I will probably not agree on that. So public is always cool. We are looking for Arbor, let's see, and they are not in my grade green because their dividend is not that good. It is 6.56, which is good. This from the side is the dividend yield that I have subtracted for my gains, that I physically gained it and not by written numbers. But in general, they are in the 6, so I'm keeping them to 150. So actually, I'm not giving more on them. 150 on 6% month, yearly, this is yearly, is okay. So our they spend the dividend, we can see they give the dividend by 3 months. And let's go back. We have to explore the chart. This is 17 cents per share. I have 20 shares there. So actually, I'm not spending more on Arbor. Okay, we said it is finances, we said it is dividend, but not that great dividend like it looks like. And now let's go to the trading view chart. So on the maximum view for 6 years, they are in downtrend, right? This is open, this is close to they are downtrend, but that downtrend is not that big. It is 50% for 6 years. So if they give the dividend for this 6 years, it is safe to say it is a medium risk company, right? It is not low risk yet. But this is according to me. Okay, on the yearly basis, it is downtrend. Maybe this is the last year when I bought a lot. On the 3-month basis, the candlestick graph is, well, pretty stable, right? Last 3 months, no big things. Now, on the monthly view, they are in uptrend, which for some may mean something. For me, doesn't mean anything because, like I said, I'm playing them for dividend, right? I buy them as long as they are falling until I reach my limit cap and stop. And then if they go up one day in years, I can free some, or when I see something strange, I can free more losses. But there is no way. This is the tactic that I play, and I'm comfortable with it, and I can sleep with it because I think this is the hard stuff. How people live with the minuses, and I can see this in my brother because he's also playing. He's still playing, uh, like how to say, believing too much in the matrix mix. Let's say it that way. People say this, people say that. Someone said this. People can say anything. Even Google, that is, let's say it is low risk, right? Google. There is no, there is a chance that Google tomorrow will begin to fall and never reach the high they made. It is possible. It is possibility. People should accept it before playing. I should accept it, not people. Again, I'm just sharing opinion. So let's go on the weekly chart. Weekly is again, weekly can't say it is up. It is neutral on weekly basis, and on daily basis today, they are up so far. When the US market opens, that may change. So this is Arbor Realty, 3 months, not that good dividend, but still 150, maybe 200. But 300 should be the dividend company's limits. All right. In the next video, we will go to the FS KKR. If you are curious what I think about this company and how are my positions there, and you want to see my treasure file again, next time on the next video, Bart Ogi will be back.